Here's WalterPicks Fantasy Football app. So if you just open up, you can see like a draft tool. You can see all the transactions. And like, yeah, so the idea is that this is like a fantasy football app, but powered by AI chatbot. Meet Walter, trained on millions of data points and thousands of real leagues. Connect your fantasy football league, see your live draft, win your fantasy league, win on DraftKings and FanDuel, win your player props. WalterPicks provides fantasy sports insights infused with Walter, an algorithm powered by AI and machine learning. Leverage the power of AI to analyze your fantasy football trades and make the right start-sit decisions with player projections. Access exploitable NFL NBA prop picks. Use the NFL NBA DFS lineup. Gain insight into 10,000 simulations. So yeah, that's the idea. And then you can just open it up. Here you have all the different leagues. So for example, NBA, you can just explore this app. You can see some trade analyzers. You can read some tutorial. How this trade analyzer works. Values for all players are calculated as a percentage of fantasy points per game and the rest of season projected points per game. This tool is designed to compare player value with a consistent mathematical system rather than an all-be-all solution to trading. So then you can just, search trading away and then just receiving, and then you can just analyze trade. And then, you will see some ads, obviously. You can then just go to that place. And then you will see, for example, this trade is a tie. So, yeah. And this is the app like where you can just also go here to lineup optimizer, all the picks. So yeah, it's like, the app optimized with some AI data points, and it's a very helpful tool if you're like in the fantasy sports. And Walter is designed to find the player props that are most exploitable based on his machine learning projections. Some weeks he will identify only 5 player props, and other weeks he will identify as many as 15. We recommend risking 1 unit on all props and 3 units on all locks. Remember the number rule. One rule in sports betting is to never risk more than you can afford to lose. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. And then you just have all of these settings and all of that.